652 Southwest Gator Trail. Everything I'm going to speak about is fact only. That's what we need to hear. Sorry, I didn't know I was going to be first one on the list. Real quick, this is exactly from the EPA website. EPA facts. Alpha radiation particles such as uranium, radium, and plutonium. The exposure of outside of the skin is not a major concern. It cannot penetrate the skin. However, inside the body, they can be very harmful. If alpha emitters are inhaled, swallowed, or get into the body through a cut, alpha particles are the most destructive form of radiation there is. They release all their energy in a few cells, and this results in more severe damage to the cells and DNA. Alpha radiation particles are more than 10 times more damaging than beta gamma radiations. The EPA set the health goals for radioactive compounds in our drinking water to 0. Because there is simply quite no safe level of radiation. As per the EPA, sensitive populations such as children, fetuses, are especially sensitive to radiation exposure. Due to children's cells, they multiply and divide so rapidly that this gives it more opportunity for the cell, especially DNA damage. Alpha radiation contaminants can easily be dissolved into water as per the EPA. What do the Geiger counter readings mean? To relate as a health risk, we will use a 40 CPM, which 44 is on the screen. That's a normal reading, give or take. Mine at my house around 30, 35, and then that's a general outside reading here. What do the Geiger counter readings mean as to relate to health risk? We'll use the 40 CPM, that's counts per minute, for good medium for to be a fair value baseline. Days to receive a chronic dose, 432 days at 100 CPM. 86 days at 500 CPM. 28 days at 1500 CPM. And also remember, we're talking alpha, which is 10 times more damaging, or more than 10 times damaging, most of radiation.
Keep moving.
Picture 1 is just your normal general reading for reference. Picture 2, please. Picture 2 is a residential yard reading of their driveway and walkways in Hardee County. Okay, this is laying in somebody's yard. Number 3, that's an air reading outside this person's house. Number 4, this is Mosaic Park Road. I did a reading outside of it. I don't have a picture of that. Doesn't matter, I'm just showing the road. Picture number 5. Just to show that this stuff does go up in dust. It just rained. You can see the cloud behind it, and you can see behind the car the dust going in. Hopefully you can kind of make that out. Kind of hard to grab that on the fly. Let's see, number 6. This is Mosaic Park air reading at their park. Right by the boat ramp. Number 7 is a video. There should be a video.
You have 45 seconds.
I have what?
45 seconds.
She messed up.
Yeah, I'm waiting on the video to come up.
Okay, I was just making sure this is working.
Okay. Real quick. This is from the big shark's teeth what your kids put in it. It'll go to 470. It is straight from Mosaic's mining. I'm sorry. 470 reading we got at Mosaic's Dig for Shark's Teeth at their phosphate museum, and they put our children in this. I have 3 more from the park of contaminated areas that are still there from when they came to the Peace River and they set up their little expos. It's still there. And we've had at least a half dozen floods since then, and it's still there. The only thing Mosaic's good at, the truth, is hiding it.
Thank you. Mr. Cotton. Next is Sarah Hollenhart.
I do want to let the public know that when you're at the podium, there's a 3-light piece there so that you can keep track. Once it gets to 1 minute left, the yellow light comes on, so that gives you a little bit of indication of where you're at of time.
My name is Sarah Hollenhorst, 9347 Southwest Raccoon Trail in Arcadia.